International Translation Day. This day is celebrated on 30 September every year. International Federation of Translators has been working to promote the celebration ever since it was set up in 1953. This day is celebrated worldwide to pay tribute to the work of language professionals, translators, interpreters, and terminologists, etc. The day plays very important role in the bringing nations to come closer and work together, facilitating dialogues and cooperation, preserving culture, heritage and values, understanding and contributing to world development, and intensifying world and security. International Translation Day theme 2021 is Translation and Indigenous Languages. By focusing on the indigenous languages, the day reduces the danger of language disappearing. Protecting and preserving the languages of millions of indigenous people all over the world is very important, as different languages for different indigenous people are fundamental part of the culture.